This won't be up for railroads.
Center.
Wow.
I know one of my New Year's resolutions
is the birthplace of Woodrow Wilson's wife. I'm trying to remember. They had this little campground here. Reaction to how you're playing. But in any case, like there's a lot. I've noticed how they have a lot of green spaces through here. So I don't know how well you guys can see it. It's bad. Our dog is barking downstairs because look at it. It's like the Thunderstorm 2.0. All the animals wanting to come in.
What are you doing?
You see that out there?
Yeah, it's a storm.
It's a big storm.
Bubba's not going out until it calms down.
I know, she is freaking out. But I was like, it's okay, Joel.
Yeah, go calm her down.
I was. But she was freaking out. I tried not to show like the front of the house. But this storm.
Look, show them out outside, not just me. Is the door closed?
Yeah. All the humidity is fogging up on it. So, you want to go biking?
Sure, why not?
Out in this weather?
Show them the weather, don't show me.
I know, but I don't want to show.
Oh, just whatever. Who cares?
Wow, it's like fogging up. Just trying to clear it up a little bit. So yeah, it is bad. It is bad. We are not going out. Now, Courtney said she wanted to go golfing.
No, you wanted to go golfing.
Why would I go golfing in the middle of a thunderstorm?
No, I'm saying you did.
You said you want to go golfing in like a tornado.
No.
Yeah. Yeah, I just kind of wanted to show the thunderstorm. But this will be a short video, but see you guys in the next.